weather has been lovely. Have you seen any good movies or shows recently? Yes, I have. I have just recently finished watching Squid Game. Nice. What is it about? The story about a dead game where 456 players who are in debt and financially struggling are risking their lives to compete for a grand total prize of 456 billion won. That sounds interesting. I wanna go watch it. Goodbye now. See you later.